Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the language on Insta360 GO Ultra. First, slide down from the top of your screen, then go to the settings right here. Now scroll down until you find language. Now you can set it to English or some Chinese, simplified traditional, or some other languages here. As you can see, there's quite a lot of them. Just select whichever one of those you like to set, and now it is set. You can go back, you can see everything works in that language. Now I'm gonna switch back. And that will be about it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.